birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, yeah. And I'm feeling good.
So I'm Vaibhav, econ major, second year. So midsem schedule was like I woke up, I gave exams, and 3 days after exams were over. So it was like a spasm.
Hello, I'm Kushal, and my pre-majors are biochemistry and earth science. And to be honest, my mid-sem schedule was shit. एक ही दिन में 2 chemistry थे, and like it was hell. It felt like hell, and all the credit goes to one of my dear friend, that is Ayushman Saha. He made that routine, and we were.
Okay, first of all, my name is Mandar. My pre-majors are, unfortunately, I didn't get to choose them. My pre-majors are chemical engineering, data science engineering, and electrical engineering and CS. I didn't have a midsem timetable as such. I just
What was your timetable like? The final exams ka timetable?
Like how were the exams spaced out also?
अच्छा वैसे I had like 3 exams in 3 slots. 2 of them were chemical engineering exams. As a result, both of them went terribly. One of them was supposed to be very easy, which was easy for the rest. It's just that I messed it up a lot. And what else? I think other exams were fairly spaced out. There was enough preparation time for each one of them. You never have enough prep time for DSA.
I'm Atreya. I'm a second year student, PMD pre-major. And yeah, schedule, it was quite interesting, the schedule. Every day after every exams, we would just like have a certain amount of time left, 2 exams a day during the midsems, and we would try to get as much portion done as possible, but at the end of the day, you would be sacrificing one subject to score good in the other one.
I wasn't prepared mentally, sorry.
I mean, I didn't. All I did was like, I just took it as it came, and yeah, it was quite. So there were, as I said, there were 2 exams a day in a couple of days. So it was something. Like I downed couple of cans of cold drinks every night. I kind of made a pyramid of them by the end of the midsems, and during the midsem break, all I did was go home and sleep, sleep, and sleep. So yeah, that was no mental preparation basically.
In the question, I want to highlight few of the words that you use, that is structure, this and that. ये सब नहीं था. There was no structure, there was no routine, there was no schedule, nothing. As a like midsem came and hit me, and I was like, okay, there are exams and I have to give them. Bus I prepared went inside for the exams, and like yeah, and the rest is
Will you pass?
yeah, but yeah, almost passed.
Hopefully.
Almost passed in midsem and all the subjects. Passing is not the issue.
So my preparation of midsem, it began seriously since the last summer break. I started my preparation for this mid semester. So yeah, I think 8 months are enough.
What did you do?
Hate this kind of guys.
What did you do? What did you study?
I did so. I had already done all the notes, all the books, everything last summer break. So I think 8 months preparation is sufficient for midsem.
Achha.
Ban
How
economics,
many times
please.
did you revise, Weber?
I think it must be somewhere in double digits.
How many times did you revise, Kushal?
I think it's somewhere between 0 to 1.
Did you revise?
Yeah, I did. मतलब एग्जाम के बीच में ही in the gap एक दिन पढ़ा था, सुबह रिवाइज किया था before going to the exam.
In revision, what I do is there are 6 theory courses and most of them are मतलब ऐसा है कि ख़त्म ही नहीं होता वो, तो there's barely time for revision. But in some courses I was able to revise. I just did the assignments by my own once again and tried to go through the theory एक बार. यही है revision. What else?
Did you not use certain tools to cut things short for you?
So I can just please Snapchat to the parents.
वो तो क्विज 1 में गया था. क्विज 1 में हम बाहर जा रहे थे तो मैंने चैट जीपीटी में लिख दिया कि भाई मेरे हम जा रहे हैं बाहर, ये वाला चैप्टर कल आ रहा है क्विज में, प्लीज़ ये इसका थियरी पूरा समराइज़ कर दो और इसके हर ऐसा क्या कहते हैं यूनिट में से एक एक प्रॉब्लम मुश्किल वाला मेरे को दे दो ताकि वो रिवाइज हो जाए. ये करने के बावजूद भी मैंने वो क्विज इतना घटिया लिखा है.
How much did you get?
मैं देखा ही नहीं.
Ask me how much I got.
नहीं, ये पूछना.
Have you never done this with anything else?
नहीं
Ever?
नहीं
Other chemical engineering courses?
नहीं.
For certain assignments?
असाइनमेंट में तो यार सबने ही चैट जीपीटी लगाया था वैसे. क्या
Tell them what you did.
I forgot the exact words that I used, but I basically abused this thing AI bot because it was not giving me the answers that I wanted. और ऐसे गधों जैसे आंसर दे रहा था. तो क्या
Topic choosing.
अच्छा हाँ, तो असाइनमेंट थी. अब 4 टॉपिक हमको दिए थे कि मतलब इसमें से तुमको 4 टॉपिक पे असाइनमेंट तुमको लिखनी है. तो मैं चैट जीपीटी परप्लेक्सिटी पे तभी मिल रहा था, तो परप्लेक्सिटी पे लिख दिया कि ये 4 टॉपिक है, ऐसा टॉपिक बताओ जो ऐसा पढ़ने में इंटरेस्टिंग भी लगे लेकिन जिस पे असाइनमेंट लिखने में ज़्यादा ऐसा टाइम भी ना लगे और ज़्यादा एफर्ट भी ना लगे. तो वो वाला टॉपिक मैंने जो परप्लेक्सिटी भाई साहब ने बताया वो मैंने लिया.
Have you heard of Copilot? So, Copilot was just like, this other best buddy I had, other than my roommate, of course. And my roommate is a very interesting, very, very sweet guy. I wouldn't disclose his name because he wouldn't like that. But other than that, my schedule basically started. So, a week before the midterms, as soon as we got a tentative timetable of what it may look like, I sat down and I made a timetable. Okay, these days I'll study this, and I'll keep a buffer day or two. And after that, I will start my examinations. Like everything's done, so I'll revise this and that. So this was supposed to happen a week before the midterms. The next thing I know, it's a day before midterms, and I haven't done anything. And it just starts with me pulling all-nighters, and it kind of seems as though that would be the same case for the midterms which are coming up in a week.
What did you do in that week before the midterms then?
See, that's the thing. I don't know how time flew by. All I did was just roam around the campus, watched movies, practiced, and basically everything that I was supposed to do.
Practiced what?
Music or, just painting. Anything but academics.
You paint?
Yeah, so I paint a little bit and I play the flute. So it was, I mean, I should have studied. Basically, what happened was on the first day after the exams were over, when I was supposed to start preparation for the exams, not when the exams were over, I didn't study that day. So it piled over to the next day. कि, okay, अगले दिन मेरे को ये पढ़ना है, and पिछले दिन का नहीं हुआ, then I have to study this as well. That kept on happening with every single day. To the end of the day, I was like, okay, I have to do every subject on one day because it's just a day before the exams, and I'm like, might as well just study for the exam, which is tomorrow. So yeah, basically that sums up the schedule and the sleep schedule, especially which hasn't been fixed yet. So yeah, 4 hours of sleep is amazing.
For that question, did you know Atreya plays the flute?
What?
Yeah. अरे PMT वालों का बहुत लेट था ना एग्जाम, तो he got a lot of time to learn the flute before the midterms. Yeah.
PMD? Okay, stop bullshitting.
Stop what?
Oh, my advice will be like first they have a notes, have a this file. ऐसे notes बनाने होते हैं this like this like this. This is my NSEM notes. ऐसे note बनाना होता है, ऐसे laptop में खोल के बैठना होता है. This is my laptop. This is note. This is Kuchal Das's note for end semester. And study at least like for scoring B at least. Study 15 days prior to mid NSEM.
Oh, can you share why you don't study all the time? What is your philosophy about a 10 CPI?
Oh, the philosophy about 10 CPI is simple. I don't want 10 CPI.
Why not?
Because like I feel like I will be too overwhelmed and next semester I'll stop studying.
You'll be overwhelmed.
Yeah. So if I get a 10 this semester, I will be at the zenith. I will be like, oh my god, I got a 10. This semester मेरे से पढ़ाई नहीं हुई. So to avoid that, I think you should be like what consistent like Virat Kohli. You know, you score 60, but consistently 60.
What team do you support in IPL?
RCB. You also support. You should also support RCB. इस साल cup नाम दे.
We don't club. No. We have a
4 out of 6 wins. He is also RCB supporter.
E Salah Cup now. No sleaze, only peace.
Yes.
okay. I have a first answer.
हाँ.
My opinion about 10 CPI.
नहीं.
No,
What is your advice? You can give your opinion about 10 CPI also.
My advice is like try to do well in the courses you like, and you can let 2-3 courses go to drain. That has been my motto from the last like 4-5 semesters.
What courses have gone to the drain? Tell us this now.
Like I'm an econ major and I haven't even gotten a B till now in any econ course.
एक तो लेक्चर में ध्यान दो, क्योंकि आधी पढ़ाई उधर ही हो जाती है अगर तुम ढंग से ध्यान दे रहे हो.
अब तक क्यों नहीं किया ये?
हाँ, अब तक देखो यार, मेरे को कुछ कोर्सेज बहुत ही ज़्यादा बोरिंग लगते हैं. मतलब आफ्टर मिड सेम्स आई ट्राई टू गिव एवरी कोर्स अ शॉट वंस अगेन, इवन यू नो दैट. मतलब आई ट्राई टू सिट इन द फ्रंट, आई ट्राई टू आंसर ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. तो कुछ कोर्स में मैं ये करता रहा, कुछ कोर्सेज में मैंने नहीं किया, क्योंकि मेरे को वापस मतलब वो कोर्स मेरे को वापस फुद्दू लगने लग गया. तो फिर उसके बाद से मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, तो भाई मैं क्यों बैठूं लेक्चर में. उससे अच्छा
How do you make it to your 9 AM? जरा बताना.
हाँ,
जरा बताना. How do you make it to your 9 AM?
एक बार किया भाई. एक बार हुआ ये कि 9 बजे लेक्चर है, मैं उठा ही 9:04 को. मैंने
पर सर तो क्या ही नहीं करता.
हाँ,
सर doesn't care.
अरे लेकिन वो अटेंडेंस बंद करवा देते हैं जल्दी. पता नहीं तुमको, मेरे को पता है मेरे साथ जो हुआ है.
हाँ, तू स्टोरी बता.
तो मैं उठा ही 9:04 को. मैं कह रहा अभी आज मैं लेट हो गया गलती से, तो क्योंकि मैं मतलब आई वॉज बेयरली दिस थिंग, मतलब आई वॉज क्वालिफाइंग फॉर 75%. सो मैं गया, मैंने कहा आज तो छूट ही नहीं सकता. तो मैं बिना ब्रश किए, बिना नहाए, मैं बेड से उठा, मैंने बैग ली, मैं भागता चला गया. फिर मैं उधर पहुंचा और मुझे पता चला कि आज तो लेक्चर कैंसिल है.
Chicken fried rice, Sudarshan. Every damn time, after every exam at Sudarshan, I'd go and have a chicken fried rice. That was the one incentive I had. Ki okay, do the next paper, in such a way that you are able to enjoy some really nice chicken fried rice at Sudarshan. And other than that, also that, so that I could, so in 12th grade I wanted to watch a lot of movies. So what I would do is I'd make a list of them. So the other thing that keeps me going is, okay, when my exams are over, I'm gonna go back to that list and start striking off the films by watching them one by one. So other than that, yeah, watching a lot of movies.
What kept me going was मेरे को करना है, पढ़ाई करनी है, there is no choice. ऐसे नहीं कि मतलब I did it because I had to, but like लगता भी है कि यहाँ पढ़ने आए हो तो करना तो चाहिए. And obviously it was good, just पढ़ाई करके नंबर तो आ ही जाते.
See, if I had good marks in midsem, then I would have stopped. But since I don't have good marks in midsem and I have to pass the course, and I'm not here in summer break, so I don't want to come back to give my re-exam from Delhi. So for that purpose, I am studying so that I can pass all the courses with good grades. That's it.
I think chicken appam and Mysore dosa.
Dosa.
Dosa. They kept me going to the midsem.
Idli, sambar,
Yeah,
chutney.
that's it.
Okay, say bye.
Why would you show me?
Up on Melancholy Hill there's a plastic tree. Are you here with me? Just looking out on the day of another dream, where you can't get what you want, but you can get me. So let's turn out and see. 'Cause you are my medicine when you're close to me. When you're close to me. The coal and the submarines round the world will go. Does anybody know if we're looking out on the day of another dream?
Kushal, आओ ना. There's a chair. Come.
If you can't get what you want, then come with me. Up on Melancholy Hill. Just looking out for the day when you're close to me. When you're close to me.
Hello man, what's up? I'm a PMD student.
रिक्वेस्ट कर ली तो अच्छा